Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. So one of the things that I've done in the past is modified the actual key to the F56 itself. So what I wanted to try and do, because there's lots of videos out there, is try and find a little bit of a cheaper alternative. So many of you have seen probably this brake disc type setup for the F56 key, which I think looks a little bit different, and I wanted to try it out. But the difference with this one is it's a little bit cheaper because it is made of plastic. Now I don't know whether cheaper is better in this case, but I wanted to give it a go, see how well it fits, and if it's any good, recommend it to you guys. So it's a super easy process. It's less than like 30 seconds, or let's say 2 minutes to attach it. So let's move that out of the way. So first of all, you need a flat blade screwdriver. Flip it over, and there's a little slot there, and all you do, push that in. It does make a bit of a clip sound, but it's not breaking anything, so it's all okay. And this cover will literally slide straight off, and all you do is take the replacement and slide it back on, and when you clip this cover back in place, it should lock that in place. And there you can see you've now got a modified key, something that looks a little bit different. So first impressions, so this keychain, in the photos from the seller on eBay, it did look like the metal one. It didn't look like the plastic one. This is clearly plastic over the metal. Certainly has the look of it, but it doesn't have that sort of heavy metallic feel. Now that may be a positive to some, because I know some people have complained that the metal ones are just really heavy feel when they're in your pocket. Whereas this, it's no heavier than the cover that you've just taken off. Wear and tear will be the interesting one, so I'll try and do a bit of an update in a few weeks' time in terms of how well this holds up to being in my pocket with other keys and things like that. But in terms of a super cheap and easy mod to the key, something a little different, then you can do that. There are obviously lots of designs and colours on these key covers. You don't have to necessarily go for this one, but you can see just how easy it is to change that cover on your key. So if you found today's video useful, please hit that like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get alerts every time we upload new content to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.